Okay, let's take a look at what we need for this. Star of the show, right in the center there. We've got some lovely sized big prawns. They've been cleaned. How you clean them is you get some scissors, cut from the head back, on the back of them, pull out that little black strip and they're done. Lemongrass, pandan leaves, onions, chili, sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, 1 can of tomatoes, garlic ginger paste, pepper, chili powder and chili flakes. We might add a little touch of salt, but be careful depending on what soy you're using. So easy. We're going to make a nice deep red sauce with this. Then we're going to throw the prawns in. They're going to be fantastic. Okay, so you can see I've got a pan or a wok here, and I've got in there that sesame seed oil. Gives it a really lovely nutty flavour. Just want to show you this, the lemongrass. What I've done with that, I've just beaten it with the back of my knife, just so it kind of squashes it down a little bit. And in that goes, as does the pandan leaves, fresh chili, and our onion. 2 to 3 minutes, high heat. Keep this one moving. This already smells totally amazing. We're now going to add in our garlic ginger paste, or chopped garlic and ginger, chili powder, black pepper, and those chili flakes. Chili powder, chili flakes, garlic ginger, black pepper. Just keep this moving for a few seconds. Then we're going to add our tomatoes. 1 can of tomatoes. What I've done is I've just crushed those down. Just want to cook this for about 3 or 4 more minutes on this high heat. Then we'll be back. Then we're ready for a little simmer. Wonderful. Now, some water, cold water. Like a cup of water, and then that soy, and that's what my salt is. I'm not going to be adding salt because I'm just using that. We're now going to lower the heat to above a simmer. We need this to go now for about 6-7 minutes or so. You can give it a stir every now and then. So with the prawns or shrimps, as you can see there, I've cut down. So you need a pair of scissors, cut down there, open it out and give it a wash. We're ready now to add all our lovely cleaned prawns in there. And like I say, these are fairly large and wonderful. In they go, stir them about, and we're going to be back, excuse me, in about another 4 to 5 minutes. This is pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. Check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Those prawns are cooked beautifully. As you can see, they've changed that lovely colour, that very familiar kind of pink colour. Wonderful stuff. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.